संजय होल्ड दिस ना।
आपका नाम मेरा बैग
इवन मी आल्सो हियर। माय टेक ओके बोलना मुझे रीडिंग द साइड मैम
थोड़ा और बीच में
हां
कोई सवाल नहीं वाह हाय गाइस did you get to do a little bit of cheating and pan the camera inside and see what's happening?
No, we don't. No, we don't.
Sorry?
बोला मुझे एक मिनट थोड़ा मैंने शॉट्स लेना है। हां डालो। अरे रुको ना यार।
अच्छा शॉट ले रहे थे आप?
हां
ठीक से लेते हैं
Okay, done. Slightly come forward, man. Slightly come forward. One step. Yeah, fine. One step back. Yeah, that's fine. मेरे को बोलना. Okay. आराम से. बोलना क्या कह रहा है? थोड़ा साइड हो. तुम लोग फ्रेम में उधर. Rolling. Yeah, rolling. Rolling. Yes, rolling. Should be looking stunning as usual.
And you're a man of good taste as usual.
Thank you. This is about award. This is about spa.
You know Asia Spa Awards, this is their 9th year. जब इनका तीसरा साल था उस वक्त उन्होंने मुझे एक अवार्ड दिया था जिसका नाम था स्पा डीवा अवार्ड. तो मैं भी अभी इनफैक्ट किसी से कह रही थी बाहर के I've graduated. Tonight, on their 9th year, I win the Woman of Substance. So, very excited. I think आजकल के चहल पहल में हम जिस दुनिया में जी रहे हैं, there's so much stress, there's so many people going through so many upheavals in their lives. और हर चीज़ YouTube पे आ जाती है. So, you know, people are just, everybody's got a very stressful life. So, it's nice to have an award that celebrates the wellness industry, the luxury industry. And I just hope more and more people take care of themselves and stay happy and enjoy the life that they have. So I'm very happy to be a part of an award like that. Nice.
And what's the reason of this beautiful smile on your face right now?
Okay, this is just my name, I think, which means a beautiful smile. Thank you, Janmiri. I think the only thing I will forever be remembered for is the fact that मैं हमेशा मुस्कुराती हूँ. It's never. I don't need a reason for it. I just like being happy. I think from the moment it's very unfair to name any one person. I'll tell you why. Because I know at least 50 women who've inspired me personally. But to be born a woman, I've always said this, is a hard enough job because we transition through hormones throughout our lives and go through all kinds of upheavals physically and emotionally. And yet we are the bearers of life and we are people who are born with that substance. So I think every woman has it. I think some men have it too.
Have you seen something out of the box? Have you seen the trailer of Farron? What's your
Arey, naughty. I knew you were going to ask me something. Of course I've seen the trailer. I'm very excited about it. He's done a spectacular job of being a fan and of imitating Shah Rukh so beautifully.
Okay, apart from this, Urmila got married. What's your plan with that?
Oh, no. I already congratulated Preeti on Twitter. I'm very excited for her. I've waited for her. She's such an amazing person. And so is Urmila. So it's just nice because women are choosing to get married later and they're taking their time instead of saying, oh my God, I'm 20, my life is over, I have to find the right guy for myself. I think रिश्ते जो हैं वो वक्त से नहीं बनते, you know, there's no time to make them. There's just the right connection. And जब वो होगा, so it makes me very happy for people. नहीं, हम क्यों इंतज़ार करेंगे? कहीं पर किसी राजकुमार को हमारा इंतज़ार है. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अरे हाँ सर. अरे इधर.
आगे पकड़ ले मेरा. Okay guys. एक मिनट.
निकलो इसको क्रॉस कर लो.
बाइट ले लो. बाइट.
आप क्या कर रहे हो आप? एक मिनट
Thank you. So this is, I think this magazine is always known for its exotic locations that we shoot at. It's relaxed feel and the spa obviously. So you always feel very calm when you're around these people. So yeah. What are you wearing? I'm wearing an outfit. I'm wearing an outfit by Jane. I'm reading lots of scripts. So, like you always ask me, I will sign soon and tell you. And yeah, photo shoots, brands, events.
Of late, like recently we read reports of you and Arjun's like so would you like to say something?
Abhishek, we don't need to talk
Nothing,
about
sorry.
We've just come here for the awards. We've not come to answer these questions.
Okay.
I'll call you and tell you. Alright. So, I am with HSP.
नहीं, वहीं से कट करके वहाँ तो हो जाएगा. उसका पीआर बोल रहा है कि हम सारे के सारे सबको वहीं पे बुला रहे हैं. बाहर जो है ना रेड कार्पेट बाहर भी लगा हुआ है.
So if you want to ask this girl out, get her a nice party, right? Alright, thank you for joining us. I hope you have a great evening.
One minute for footage, then move it to the back.
I'm one look here. Thank you.
Okay. Now slide from one step forward. Yeah, thanks. Sure. Right. Okay. Rolling guys. Masha looking very gorgeous today.
Thank you.
Tell us about your association with the
Well, you know, when you talk about wellness, I'm always there because I'm a strong believer of, you know, wellness and health and any kind of initiative that supports wellness, I'm always there. And this is one of the finest magazine which talks about the best spas. And I am quite a spa addict. And a very big important part of good living is not only just working out, fitness, eating right, but also relaxation. So the spas do provide us with that. And yes, that's why I'm here tonight.
and बात करें fitness की तो बात अगर हम सबसे पहले लिया जाता है तो tell us about the importance of fitness in day-to-day life.
Well, I will quote Mahatma Gandhi. He said, health is the biggest wealth, you know, much more than gold and silver. And I do believe that because if you don't have health, you have nothing. So it is something that I've been believing in for the longest time. And yeah, so fitness is not just for me a habit, it is a way of life. It's not a destination, it is just the way to live. So it's very, very integral to my life.
And when you talk about fitness, your name comes first when it comes to actresses. Actor कोई है बताना चाहिए बहुत fit है.
Well, today आजकल you know सभी fit हैं, सभी और सिर्फ actresses ही नहीं. I'm talking about the people, you know. When I go to the gym, जो लोगों से मैं मिलती हूँ, no matter which walk of life they're coming from, you know, young girls, middle-aged women, everybody is looking after their health, you know, and that makes me very, very happy because यही message मैं इतने सालों से सबको देना चाहती हूँ that you know you need to do something about your health. And actresses, so definitely because they are all on the big screen, they have to be fit. I'm glad the pressure is on. But I don't believe that, you know, you should follow fitness or health as a fad. You should follow it as a lifestyle. Because इसमें ये सबसे बड़ी समझदारी है. Well, lots of things are keeping me busy these days, but we'll talk about tonight only.
विभाषा एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन कई आपकी कई सहेलियां जिस साल शादी के बंधन में होती
Really, कौन-कौन सहेली? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है.
उर्मिला मातोडकर
अरे ये लोग कलीग्स हैं, सहेली कब से बन गई?
बंधन में बनते हैं बॉलीवुड.
देखिए मुझे नहीं पता, इतने सालों से आप लोग मुझे इस बंधन में बांधते आए हो. जब हो जाएगी आई गेस.
Thank you.
देखिए, जब ये सब जो इतने इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ व्हेन दे हैपन, I am not a person who's going to hide it. I'll very happily share the news with the media because they have been so kind to me for so many years. So it will be the biggest day of my life. I will share it with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
क्या यार ये संजय दत्त भाई क्या बोल रहे हो?
Okay, guys.
Hi. Tell us about your association with Asia Spa Awards.
They're kind enough to give me an award, the fitness icon of the year, and I'm blessed and honored to be receiving the award from Shilpa ma'am, who is a fitness icon herself. So, thank you. Yeah.
आपको जब फिटनेस की
I'm very happy. Thank you so much, sir. बहुत ही positive रहा. I'm very thankful that it was accepted so graciously. It was just a teaser, but watch out for the main poster that's coming out on the 9th, and soon after that the trailer. I hope you guys like it.
हीरोपंती में हमने देखा आपको
No, I'm not nervous at all, sir. We worked very hard. काफ़ी मेहनत करी हमने throughout the film. As you can see, I'm looking very tired. Just came from shoot. But yeah, I think you guys are going to enjoy if you enjoyed Heropanti, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this much more. That's all I can say. जी साथ में तो नहीं बनाए क्योंकि मेरी शूट थी, पर we wished each other, and on each other's birthdays we had released our teaser posters. और I'm lucky and blessed enough to be sharing a birthday next to hers because she's just such a wonderful person, and it was an honor working with Shraddha.
Can we see Salman Khan unveiling the trailer of Baghi?
I don't think so. I think Salman sir must be very busy with Sultan, no? But there will be nothing like it if he did. But I think Sajid sir is going to do the honors. Yeah. Thank you so much. Who is turning 51?
Amir.
Oh my God! Happy birthday in advance, Amir sir. He doesn't look 51, yeah. He's growing younger.
And one thing in Amir which keeps him apart from all the other actors in Bollywood.
Oh, everybody's so talented. I don't want to take anything away from anybody. But Amir sir just keeps raising the bar for everybody and himself. I don't know what he's going to do next, but I'm looking forward to Dangal, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Just be there. There's a cable over here.
Haji.
Once we're done with the visual, then we go for the bite.
Thank you. Let's go.
Mehdi, there's so many awards happening, the moment the new year started. What are you expecting from this award?
It's an Asia Spa Awards. It's done all over the country now. Last year it was in Delhi, this year in Bombay. So I'm looking forward to seeing who gets the award this year. I visit the spas very often. I love my massages. I think that keeps me young and rejuvenated. So I want to see who gets the award this year.
Are you also nominated?
No, I'm not nominated. I'm here to just clap as usual. All award functions I got to clap, man.
Okay. Apart from this, Urmila and Preeti Zinta, they got recently married. What?
Sorry, say that again?
Preeti Zinta and Urmila got married.
Yeah, I'd like to congratulate Preeti. Amazing. She and I started together when I was in TV, and she started her first movie with Mani Ratnam and Dilse. She's a very bright, young, smart, and I think a very brave girl. And I'm very happy for her to wish her all the very best for her wedding, for her marriage.
Even Urmila Matondkar, there's a season happening in the Bollywood.
Oh, all the ladies are being taken. Hum kya karenge?
Okay, apart from that,
Oops, thanks for reminding me. My wife is right there, that's alright.
okay, Madhvan, have you seen the trailer of Fan? What's your?
Oh, Shah Rukh is looking, Shah Rukh and Shah Rukh are both looking awesome. I think it's I think it's a blockbuster in the making already.
And Madhavan, it's all about any fan moment of Shah Rukh with you.
Oh, to be honest with you, I'm a huge fan of Shah Rukh, but my wife is probably his biggest fan. So I remember meeting him for the very first time, and she was standing beside me, and she dug her nails into my arms, pretending to be very normal, and saying, "Shah Rukh, I'm a big fan." But I knew what was happening because मेरे हाथ में खरोच पड़ गए थे. So whenever now Shah Rukh meets her, he knows how big a fan she is, so he gives her extra attention and makes her day. So I learned from Shah Rukh how to make your day for your fan, and I know that he's going to make a fabulous film with his film, and I think it's going to be an awesome hit.
What next? क्या करना
I mean, next एक और film. Hopefully, I'll have to get rid of my hair and my moustache, and I get to act with some other pretty women. Let's see what happens. Thank you guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. ये रख दो. They're just taking your visuals.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हो?
Very good.
Nice Hindi.
Oh, thank you.
Cool. Okay, bites. रुक जाना.
Mobile.
Okay. Yep. Can you look towards the camera?
Which side? Center?
Yeah, look towards center.
Okay. Look center.
They're looking stunning as always.
Thank you so much.
Tell us about this awards, Asia Spa Awards.
Asia Spa, it's, everyone loves taking massages, at least I love taking massages, and it's about the places that you can go for a travel, luxury brands and hotels and new spas in town, and it's a lovely event
And you met around Sushmita, Shilpa.
Yes.
So how was it inside?
I think I'm really inspired by the way that Sushmita Sen she's been, and she's a great inspiration for women, and it was lovely looking at her, and I loved the way she was talking about her life and her experience, and I hope one day I'm going to be as strong as the way she is. Yeah.
Okay. Last time जो हम मिले थे तब
Yes.
आपने कहा था you're working on your Hindi. तो कितना
Yes.
progress हुआ है?
कितना प्रोग्रेस हो गया तो अभी मैं 2 स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रही हूँ, एंड उम्मीद है कि बहुत जल्द से जल्द शूटिंग के लिए तैयार हो जाएंगी, और I'm gonna announce it very soon hopefully. Yes, इतना सा.
And recently शाहरुख की fan का trailer out
Yes.
हुआ था.
हाँ जी.
Are you a Shahrukh fan?
Yes, I am, and I've been so lucky to work with him, and the trailer looking fantastic, and looking forward for the film. Yes.
You had a fan moment with Shahrukh.
I didn't have a fan moment, but what happened is I was very nervous that I'm shooting with Shah Rukh Khan because he's the biggest star of our country, and when I saw the way he's really humble. It's so easy to work with him. For me, it was such a pleasure that working with such a big star, and it was just so easy. I think I started becoming his fan after I started working with him. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys.
Thanks, Pandana.
फोटो निकालने मेरा फोटो है नहीं है ठीक है, लेकिन सब खड़े अच्छा नहीं लगता है। मेरी मम्मी की फेवरेट है। हाँ भाई
बाद में हम सवाल पूछते हैं. Okay.
Hello?
Oh, bites, Shilpa, bites.
Bites.
Okay, rolling guys. शिल्पा, congratulations for the awards.
थैंक यू अवार्ड्स
अब मिलते रहेंगे अब तो साल
Thank you, thank
आप
you.
जानना चाहेंगे किस लिए आपको अवार्ड मिला है?
आज हमें 2 अवार्ड्स मिले हैं एक तो आईओसिस बेस्ट न्यू स्पा एंड एक्चुअली दो स्पा वाले अवार्ड्स और मेरा तीसरा अवार्ड फॉर वेलनेस आइकॉन ऑफ द ईयर 2015 तीनों बहुत ही बेशकीमती है मेरे लिए एंड थैंक यू सो मच इट्स रियली एनकरेजिंग
When we talk about fitness, शिल्पा का नाम सबसे पहले आता है, तो आप जानना चाहेंगे फिटनेस एंड शिल्पा, हाउ डू दे गो हैंड इन हैंड?
देखिए मेरे लिए फिटनेस एक पार्ट इट्स बिकम पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ तो इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट इज़ प्लान्ड और कंट्राइव्ड मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी इस तरीके से जीना चाहती हूँ और ये मेरी चॉइस है तो हर एक के पास एक चॉइस होती है डिपेंड्स ऑन what choice you want to make in your life whether you want to be healthy or whether you want to be someone who will look after their health after they realize something has gone wrong तो हर एक के पास वो चॉइस है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये वेलनेस का जो मैसेज है मैंने बस शुरुआत ही की है मैं सब लोगों तक पहुँचा सकूँ योगा के थ्रू या अपने बुक द ग्रेट इंडियन डाइट के थ्रू बट द मैसेज शुड गो अक्रॉस दैट इट्स टाइम दैट यू लुक आफ्टर योरसेल्फ
ओके अब बिपाशा भी थी अंदर शी इज आल्सो वेरी मच इनटू फिटनेस तो क्या आप दोनों की तरफ से कोलैबोरेशन देख सकते हैं कभी फ्यूचर में?
I hope. I think she's also a very, very fit actor. I think it's wonderful to have people who are torch bearers in the fitness arena, and she's definitely one of those. मेरी बहुत प्यारी दोस्त भी है, so it's wonderful what she's also.
And recently fan ka trailer out. Have you seen the trailer?
I haven't honestly. I really haven't. मैं अपने बच्चे के पास जाना चाहती हूँ. I haven't seen him the whole day. I've been in Delhi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ये भाई